Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about chapter number 11. Chapter name is The Beginning of Civilization, and in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter 11. So student, now look at the first exercise, that is fill in the blanks. It means in this exercise you have to fill all this blank space. Look at the first number. The writing of the people of ancient Mesopotamia is called. So student, what we call the writing of the Mesopotamia civilization? We call it's a cuneiform. We call it's a cuneiform. So in first number you have to write cuneiform at this blank space, and here cuneiform is already written. Look at the next. Des and Death were some of the city around which the Mesopotamia civilization developed. So student, in this blank space you have to write about the city. You have to write the name of the city which is around the Mesopotamia civilization developed. First city's name is Uruk, second Akkad, and third Babylon. So you have to fill Uruk at this blank space, Akkad at the second blank space, and Babylon is the third blank space. And here the name of the city is already filled. The name of the cities are already filled. Now look at the next, that is third number. The city of Harappa was part of the Dash civilization. So student, the Harappa city belongs to which civilization? It belongs to Indus Valley civilization. So you have to write Indus Valley at this blank space, and here Indus Valley is already written. Look at the fourth number. The ancient civilization of Egypt emerged by the side of the river Dash. So student, the ancient civilization of Egypt developed on the banks of which river? It developed on the banks of river Nile. So you have to fill Nile at this blank space, and here Nile is already filled. Get the next. Ancient Egyptian ruler were called. So what we call the ancient Egyptian ruler? We call it a pharaoh. So you have to fill pharaoh at this blank space. Now look at the next exercise. Mark the following sentences as true or false. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given statement. If your statement is right, then your answer will be true, and if this statement is wrong, then your answer will be false. Look at the first. The establishment of city was one of the main sign of civilization. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right, so you have to fill true at this given box, and here true is already filled. Now look at the next. The people of the Mesopotamia civilization built a huge temple called pyramid. So student, the people of Mesopotamia built the huge temple, and we call it a pyramid. Is this sentence is right or wrong? This sentence is wrong, so you have to fill false at this given box, and here false is already written. Now look at the third number. Indus Valley civilization had well-planned city with a good drainage system. Is this statement is right or wrong? Yes. Indus Valley civilization has an excellent system of drainage. So this statement is right. So you have to fill true at this given box, and here true is already filled. Look at the fourth number. The people of the Indus Valley and those of Mesopotamia had no contact with each other. This statement is right or wrong? Yes, because both the civilization had no contact with each other. So this statement is right. And here you have to fill true at this given box. And here true is already filled. Now look at the fifth number. Look at the fifth number. The ancient Egyptian was believed to have invented the potter's wheel. So student, who invented the potter's wheel? The ancient Egyptian invented the potter's wheel. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong. So you have to fill false at this given box, and here false is already filled. Now look at the next exercise. That is choose the correct answer. It means in this exercise you have to choose the correct options from the given option. Look at the first. The main occupation of the people of Mesopotamia was. So what was the main occupation of the people of Mesopotamia civilization? Your option A is trading, your option B hunting, your option C agriculture, your option D pottery. Which option is correct? Your option C is correct. So you have to tick option C. Now look at the next, that is second number. Europe was a city of the civilization of. So the city of Europe belongs to which civilization? Your option A is Indus Valley, your option B Mesopotamia, your option C Egypt, your option D China. So your correct option is your option B, and you have to tick option B, and here option B is already ticked. Now look at the third number. Houses in the Indus Valley civilization were made of. So student, houses of Indus Valley civilization were made of. Your option A is stone, your option B bricks, your option C wood, your option D mud. So the houses in the Indus Valley civilization were made of bricks. So your option B is correct, and you have to tick option B, and your option B is already ticked. Now look at the fourth number. The pyramid in ancient Egypt were used for. Your option A is keeping the body of the dead queens and kings. Option B, worshipping the god. Option C, storing the chemical used to make mummies. And your option D is doing magic. So which option is correct? The people of Egyptian civilization were made pyramid for keeping the body of the dead queens and king. So your option A is correct, and you have to tick option A, and here option A is already ticked. Look at the next. Hieroglyphs is the picture language script of the. Your option A is Chinese, your option B Indians, your option C Egyptian, your option D Mesopotamians. Which option is correct? It is the picture language script of the Egyptian civilization. So you have to tick option C, and here option C is already ticked. So student, I hope you all are understood about the exercises, and you have to done this exercise in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.